Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Carmenestela, and today we've got another mukbang. Hey guys, today we are going to be making a Blove's taco soup. So this will be a cooking video at the beginning, and then we'll move along to the mukbang. I'll let you guys know when I start eating. Let's put our gloves on first. All right guys, so this is all of our ingredients. We've got literally everything here. I am using all of the peppers that the ones that are just about to go bad. So this is kind of like a chili. Just use anything and everything that's like about to go bad, because you could literally throw anything in here and it'll be bomb. All right, so I have ground turkey. This is what I usually do. I know she had her own seasonings, but you guys, you can season whatever you want. I like mine spicy, so I'm gonna do crushed peppers, a little bit of this accent, some oregano. I like the oregano. It gives it like a earthy tone. All right, I got some Cajun. Ooh, that was a lot that came out. It's okay though, don't worry about it. We got some onion powder, fresh ground pepper, mine peppery, and some sea salt. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and mix that together. And with the other hand, if you want to add some more stuff, you can. Like right now, I think some Cajun would be good. And that's pretty much it. Okay, y'all. Yeah, I like to put the seasonings on the raw meat, and then I like to do it like there for later. So right now we're gonna cut the peppers. Guys, I went ahead and put in the vegetables. I like my vegetables chunky. Yeah, I like them like real chunky. So, and the jalapenos, I kept all of the seeds because I like a little heat in it. Okay, so this is what we got going on. I'll let you guys know what we do next. All right, y'all, so that is how the veggies came out, super sauteed. And now here we are going to add some olive oil and the ground turkey. All right, so we've got here the sauteed vegetables, the pinto beans, black beans, the corn, and we're gonna add some tomato puree, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and let's get cooking the ground turkey. And I use the one with the same skillet as the vegetables, so it could just take in all that natural good flavor. And I'm only making a little bit today. I'll let you guys know why. All right. Hey y'all, so let's look at how the ground turkey is looking. Delicious. It's a perfect amount of. And it's gonna cook more too. Put it all together, so. Okay, so now time to transfer it into a bigger pot. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the chicken stock. Into it so we can get some of that moisture. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Now we're going to add the vegetables. We're going to add the beans and the black beans. We're going to add the corn. A little bit of tomato paste or puree. All right, y'all. Look at how that's looking. Okay. Mix that together, y'all. Mix it together. Woo! Put your back into it, girl. Or boy. It's coming out so beautifully, y'all. I already know this is gonna be good. The longer you let it sit out, the better it'll taste. I promise y'all. Okay. Then let's add the chicken broth. Just gotta let that get together. Usually I use my Instapot, but this is how she made it and I wanted to try it. Oh, and then we're gonna add the taco seasoning. I'm doing everything like chicken and doing everything basically chicken and with ground turkey. Okay, I'm not really big into like the beef and stuff. I'll have a burger here and there, but let's just put the whole thing in there. Okay. So that's taco seasoning. She did the ranch. I don't have the ranch seasoning, so we're just gonna do it like this, y'all. It's okay. We have the taco. And those veggies are real thick. So Alright, y'all, this is how it's looking. And once we leave it in longer, all of those vegetables will start breaking up. But it's looking really good. So proud of myself. Alright, y'all, this is done. Let's see how fabulous this looks. Look at all those vegetables. That is done. So let's go and get to plating. Okay. All right, and we're gonna go ahead and add some cheese. Some sour cream. I like a good dollop. Some lettuce. And some chips. I'm just gonna do it like that just for presentation. That is so beautiful, y'all. Look at that. All right, guys, time to test out the product. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, y'all. Look at that again. not say a prayer because Cyrus is right next to me eating. All right, y'all. Let's try it. Let's try it. It's really hot, y'all. It's really hot. Take a bite. Bomb. Bomb, y'all. Taco salad. Take a bite. Go ahead. Go take it. Before I do. Yep, that's what we got today. We got Capri Sun. Took my probiotics, drank my antioxidant today. The reason I am doing a small bowl today is because it is me and Tommy's anniversary. We have been together for 4 years, y'all. I don't know if it's fine. We have been together for 4 years. I'm sorry, y'all. What's crazy is we were talking about marriage, not last year, but the year before, because last year I was pregnant, but I got pregnant and he was basically like, do you want to stay at home with your child or do you want to just go right back to work? Because a wedding is expensive, y'all. Even though I want to do something small, I want to go out the country and do it with our close friends and family. And that still adds up. So I said, you know what? Let's wait till next year, right? And here I was going to go back to work and everything was supposed to work out, you know, but with everything going on right now, obviously we're just on our ass right now like everyone else. You know, we'd have to start all over when we come back as far as start saving up again, because I didn't even get to work, y'all. Like, I had 2 more weeks until my maternity leave was over, and then all this went down. So all right, I'm back, y'all. You can never go wrong with the Capri Sun, y'all. Never. So anyways, okay, so yeah, our wedding right now, I'm not really like a big wedding girl. Like, if I know you're committed, you know, you're gonna get me forever. Now, I'm not about to be sitting there. My limit used to be 4 years, right? All y'all girls, y'all have a limit, or y'all will date someone for however long until he has to marry you. So mine was 4 years. But in this circumstance, we had a child, we bought a house, had a child, and we're dealing with the coronavirus. Like, the last 3 years have just been whooping our ass as far as finances, because we are putting them in other areas. And I'm totally okay with it, as long as we weren't gambling it or, you know, on drugs, thank God. Or, you know what I mean? Like, if I was with a man that was putting his finances and money towards something stupid, obviously I wouldn't that'd be all out. But by the grace of God, who knows if next year will work. And I always thought it would be really nice if Cyrus was like the ring boy. But that's why now I have an IUD in, no babies. We were thinking about getting another home, but the way things are looking right now, obviously that's not. So maybe it is a blessing from God. We already do have our home, so we can go off and go get married next year. I want to go to the Bahamas. Small. I want it to be small. Our closest friends and family. Like literally like a party of 20. So look how cheesy that is, y'all. Write down in the comments if you guys have a number. Like, what's the longest you'll date someone until you're like waiting for them to marry them? I know some people will be like a year. I'm not going past a year. I know a lot of different things, and I really don't want to sound bougie or nothing, y'all. I really don't. Please do not take this in the wrong way. I'm telling you now. Another reason why I don't have a ring is because the ring that I want. It's a pretty penny, so right now it's just really much, or back then it was really much like, okay, you want that 20,000 towards your ring, or do you want it towards or do you want a house where we could build a home, you know, start a family, and, you know, marriage and stuff. So this all depends on what y'all want, man. I mean, some people, they're like, no, I want to get married, then build my home. Hey, he did it backwards at the end of the day. But ain't no way, like, the exact right way, like, you know what I mean? Everyone's marriage, everyone's parenting. Not everyone's way is the right way. It's your way, but it's not right. So anyway, so tonight we're gonna be making the dishes of one of the first ones we made together as a couple. Which was filet mignon with like the jumbo prawns. And we did like the Béarnaise sauce, like everything like in a nice restaurant. And it comes out bomb, y'all. So we're gonna do that for tonight. It's only 1 o'clock, so not when we till like 7 or 8 when Cyrus goes to bed. Y'all, the veggies, the corn, gives a look like the corn and the mushrooms, or no, and the peppers give it like a sweet taste. Y'all definitely gotta make this. If you don't eat meat, you do not need to add the meat, y'all. Just do it with the vegetables. I'm thinking about doing the vegan thing again, or maybe vegetarian, because I can't let go of the dairy like that. How? I gotta put some new dishes together to make, so. I know you can't wait till you're old enough to have this, Papa. Well, you've had corn. You've had corn. Yeah, y'all, so, you know, love your partner. Don't make people pressure you to get married if y'all not ready. And y'all been together 2-3 years. Like, that's one thing I never do. Like, everyone's like, oh my God, you guys aren't gonna get married. You're pregnant. No. We're definitely, right now, definitely in a good time. I was like the type that I wanted to save everything to be at home the longest I possibly can with my child. My intention wasn't to go, you know, go, oh, I gotta get married because I'm pregnant now. Oh my gosh, da-da-da. Like, it is 2020. At the time, 2019, but, It's 1 o'clock now, but it's gonna take me a minute to edit this because this is a longer video. As you guys can tell, last video I've been trying to be more creative and fun. With my videos. One thing I've never done with my chili is I've done black beans and pinto beans. I never did that before. It's very filling. Look at that bowl. I'm already so full. Like, I will be good till tonight. And go for a walk. I have to do clean up Cyrus's room. It's so crazy how fast he's growing, and like I have to reorganize the closet, reorganize the drawers, let go of the old clothes that don't fit him anymore. Like, it's at least once a month I'm doing that, so. Right on time. Tommy just got home. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be love, I love you. Thank you for this treat. I am so excited I made it. This will be a new staple in my home. Please, guys, like, subscribe, share with your friends, share with your family. And all my new subscribers, welcome. I'm so glad to have you here. I love you guys. Have a blessed, blessed day. Bye.